Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Evie again. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. The button is down below. In today's video, I'll be showing you what I normally eat in the morning for breakfast. Since I started my weight loss journey, I'm very conscious of the calories I eat every day. So what I do normally before I eat anything, I check how much calories is in the food so that I don't exceed the amount that I'm meant to have every day. So if you're interested in watching this video, sit back and enjoy. For this recipe, I'll be using 2 medium eggs, 4 small tomato, half a quarter of onion, and half a quarter of scotch bonnet. For 2 medium eggs, you've got 156 calories. For 4 small tomato, you have 64 calories. For half a quarter of onion, you've got 17 calories. For scotch bonnet, not too sure, I have to check that. I'll put it in the screen after checking it. And for sunflower oil, I just realized that 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil is about 450 calories. That, just imagine you using 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil to make a meal. That is, you have exceeded the amount of calories a woman is supposed to take in a day. Because normally, as a woman, you're supposed to have 2,000 calories in a day. These are the little things we take for granted. Even me, I'm not going to lie, in the past, when I want to, even just to make this egg, I use maybe like 10 to 5 tablespoons of oil just to make a meal. This is where all the fats build up in our body. Since I started being conscious of what I eat, there's a positive change in my body. Since I started doing all this, I've lost 4 to 5 kg within 3 weeks from changing my diet, going for a walk every day. I go for a walk for 45 to 1 hour each day. I come back, I cut down my portion. I don't eat as much as I used to eat, but I make sure I eat a balanced diet, which is an important part of maintaining good health. And also, I always have my meal with lime and lemon water, which helps with digestion. if you stay till the end, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching the video. Thank you so much. If you're on a weight loss journey like me, let me know what you normally have for breakfast. If you have any positive suggestion that you know will be helpful to me, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye for now.